Hi guys, today's video,
Shoo.
Fred gonna replace the power steering pump, a new one. This is the new one, guys. So show it, Daddy, the new power steering pump. Yeah, that's
It's
the
a
new one,
whole
guys.
set.
One set, and there is the belt. Show the belt, and that's the belt over there. So let's go, guys. So that's the power steering pump.
That's it, easy. Now, how will I remove the belt? Ew.
Remove the belt.
Look. What happened to the belt?
The belt. What? Oh, the belt is.
Punctured lady.
May show the puncture dali. Wait, nice ko. Ayan. The belt
Check your
is.
belt.
Ayan. So may butas na ang belt.
You can see this.
Ayan
Pretty
pala.
bad already.
Okay. So i-change din niya ang belt. Bago din yung belt, guys. Now he's changing the new belt. So after this, gagana na? Fred?
Baka.
Anong baka?